I will insist that J.A. Kufour as a politician is a criminal. And I have never moved away from that statement. J.A. Kufour as a politician, to me, is a political criminal. And is one of the greatest political criminals at Ghana. Now, mon kwarana muti social media, eka se, sebio Kufour o ibubueni no, eye mo ena mo ka sa asem na to Kufour so. After all these things, now, I want to put this on record. And it's about time I responded to Nyoma Ekoso on the internet. I want to say this, and for years, Maka, opinion, your friend, ex-president Kufuor, Mumube social media, Facebook, especially TikTok, and Kwarabibra, Mugu TikTok, irresponsible kids are munim what is at stake. I've said on my platform over and over, so many times to say, J.A. Kufour as a husband, I respect him. J.A. Kufour as a grandfather, I respect him. J.A. Kufour as a citizen and a statesman, I respect him. J.A. Kufour as a leader of a family, I respect him. J.A. Kufour at his age, I respect him. But I will insist that J.A. Kufour as a politician is a criminal. And I have never moved away from that statement. J.A. Kufour as a politician, to me, is a political criminal. And is one of the greatest political criminals at Ghana. Now, mon kwarana muti social media, eka se, sebio Kufour o ibubueni no, eye mo ena mo ka sa asem na to Kufour so. If it is a mere kwamiti hei, mimbie manoda o baby anka se Kufour ibubueni. Kufour, onye disability ni o. Kufour, Oti Ghana no, Obian command pay say Kufour is being grouped under people of disability or people with disability. Obian yesa. It's more with social media. Now my imagine say mobe force the Kufour abeshe. Eya dear friend no, people with disability bracket will be very careful. Be very, 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 very careful. Most ankran when people muno. Because you need Kufour to Ghana, you say papa Kufour on the sebio or person nantiko to vote to me sorry nante or person tenasi or to me sorry tenasi. Sometimes maybe you feel lazy into on person be sorry. But there's a feel so lazy no to me sorry jina na so chia. It's more the social media TV so etiti Facebook TikTok force person mo create bibi to Ghana for nkwara team say eh ya papa Kufour ne ho mfa no oyare oyebubuafo ya papa Kufour nya bubuafo ya papa Kufour oduru baby also sorry na ntema ye nyina ehu Ebia ebi odu baby a ofili lazy on person be sorry no on sorry and no kire so oyebubuani inti me catch them on kwara na mo de TikTok na mo pese mo force na mo de Kufour ekose people with disability ya Kufour nye bubuani munjai sa akasa no na me akobedu amtie me ngire baby ambie ma no say Kufour ebubuani it munya very, very careful. Now there's a video circulating on social media, and that video was made in 2024 November. You're 2026. That video was in 2024. Now Samira Bawumia and Nukunu and they started this jandam. And video na mo circulating a video edi over 2 years. Sa time na achichidie Kufuor na MPP for through say we be defending no. Sa eye de Kotiboto Kufuor ono na na president. M1 say and then you people have failed to defend the Kufuor, but you have jumped all the way 25 years back to say Obi Edi Kufuor tem. Now, maybe say munyina mushe video no. Yeah, I will respond. There are so many young people in Ghana, they don't know who Kufuor is. They don't know the damage J.A. Kufour did to Ghana. The corruption general, Kufour, the audio Ghana. So, mudina TikTok, amokasa anyhow. But I want to rectify this. Video bia uno system no bia a 2024 video November na edien Kufuor the president. I was reacting to Kufuor Jimmy and I'm a Ghana 40 asia bi nyoma bia efa Kufuor ho. Inti mo a my imagine say mo de den mo be di Kufuor tawa ka se Kufuor ebubuani no me akọ de me ngina be bia nka so ebubuani. Ye nyina ahwe Kufuor wakọ event bebre ada opese sorry no sorry. So opese chi otumfo nsem ogina ne na so chi otumfo na watena se. And it's a sign of a sometimes he's just lazy to do it. But when he really wants to do it, he does it. It's immediate in my eyes. And the wisdom of J.A. Kufour is not disabled. Now, mommy, go video no 2024 video we na MP for somebody jandam. Me wi na ma kire who J.A. Kufour is. Kufour na nipa bia ma adwen say omo message ma ba omianti omo de be sympathetic politics no. Me ba kire mu who Kufour is. Ebia mo nkwara bebre mu nim Kufour. Enti these are things we need to take serious. Now, ma kire ma de bi. Now hwa de. Yes say kwato aba hwe. Na na Kufour do also okubie hwe. Before we go on, hwe. This is the statue no here. It be a statue no here. I say a bottom. You be on the statue no go see. Statue na nse a you know. I know this here. Na obiti Western region to takura say me kwato am MPP. Ewurade Nyankopon. Ye na I will say then a service son ye. This is a Kufour statue. No share statue no be see. O de nyabotre na statue no be see. Here. Statue no baby see environment no. This is what a Kufour acquire no Western region. Na ote Western region oya wasani oya hantani na wa sorry say kwasia we me kwato aba hwe surrounding aha no the statue be see o or the carpet be say ho nyina na or the cars be 200 efri nkan o top petrol gum o de wusika ebe sinne na na do dan Kufour de twin fan and santene ade ba ko hwe Takra the port, John Mahama expansion ye ni nyina and was so abegina painting was say ne dia. With Jimmy. These are the people who are campaigning today. Kufour hu adia o, and so say ye. Ba omi ametwa so Kufour. Because ono so ne ba no, e bini dan obesi ye, ne life mu nyina no in the history of his political life. J.A. Kufour. Toilet and it's in the niso. He pick toilet. Kufour gallon. Omo bokro no. Yenka Kufour Asem oya santini. And Ubusoma Kufour Onyashe Ghana at 50. A forensic report was done. A commission can say Kufour ye kromfo. Kojom pienu nyina wie sika Ghana at 50. And the oko eye archives bia unhu Ghana at 50 one video mpo. Kufour kromfo. Kufour ye kromfo. And so me yenka Kufour Asem yeti krom ha edie na yehu Kufour tam Ghana sika $1.5 million 2006. Ede kwa broche konani gold ebe tu ni kom. Kufour kromfo otam Ghana gold eno konane ye eno ba na odo bema ono agasa no ho award wo Ghana mo se ye ntri Kufour ho asem da ma ye nka Kufour Asem sansem fu ye nka Mahama na ye ya kama be me ada okrom ha ene de ye nka ya brebre so waka se tia panyini ye de nwan na gu ye krom nwan na gu ye fie J.A. Kufour bedi Ghana so wan bedi mponche so wan bedi na busuafo so ye na ne ye hwe no ende ye na ye hwe Kufour ade na otim na why lazy no person benante no ye na etua ho ka until we have the right to question Kufour onye yesu oye politician obebo Ghana bro yeah itima mama Kufour ye say he's untouchable. Who is Kufour? Can you point to one monumental project Kufour ya ebetudi ni atom wo Ghana e bini dan kwa? Show me one monumental project. Kufour na ye and they betumi de ye dey ye betumi de ye nsa point say J.A. Kufour nsa no adwuma ni wetima kire mi ni kuro mankasa santimemu okoye emergency ward hospital na esi no e na obeto block back wenim eno adam mo fa ne dinto so nipa no disappointment nipa no or embarrassment nipa no has shown no will. Say he came to serve, he came to steal. And on Ghana higher campaign on Tumi ka say and a Ghana for mo amonshe djuma me maye on Tumi last interview me djuma maye nyina me beto on Tumi ambo adjuma on atumi start wie 8 years already me see and sa kita school boys foolish boys don't free Kumasi ko an interview no when Tumi anka no TV no say me adjuma we na me te me nsa free hu Kufour Tumi anya adjuma bi organ nten nsa free hu Kufour. This is a 2024 video. A show I'm here, and I still stand by it. And nobody in Ghana can tell me what I said was wrong about Kufour's leadership and whatever I said. Because so when you go deeper, you understand, say, mumum. ena mu piepia mo Kufuor na koni wom. Mumom, because I have seen Kufuor, and what I like about Kufuor is say, Odu otu for mo tumi sorry nante ekochia ni nsem. Wa ko be bebre awa so regional and that means when he wants to work, he work. Maybe you see it say Kufuor disabled. Into mumom na ndem mo twi Ghana fo bi adwena ko say Kufuor oyebubuafo. Sebio Kufuor the letter bi abre obi woni fie say me yare ni. When was it disclosed nationally? Say Kufuor say me yare nie. Wakachi has Kufuor ever come out himself to say I am disabled? Modia motiti TV so no Facebook mojiminti. Penyini a otili fie and mo kan samoto so. Me I don't see Kufuor as a disabled person. I see Kufuor as sometimes he's lazy to work. That's it. It will be a whole interpretation, no? And I'm will say, well, into mono, when you're very careful the way you speak about Kufuor. Mo $500, $10, $20, no. But this platform, every single thing we say, it is a study video now, an outshare video now. The context was a Kufuor, and I'm a Ghana for TSC. The action of Kufuor, and yet now, mo bebre who J.A. Kufuor is. Jirima Kufuor be di no senka any president edimu 1% anka sani pani da jail. The reason why J.J. Rawlings never agreed with Atamils was because he failed to jail Kufuor and Kufuor. The reason why J.J. always had issues with Atamils was because Atamils, for the first time in the history, me start here me show me didn't win out because if Atamils had been strong enough, Kufuor me come jail. Cause some with them. Anything a nipa bi anya anoke kan kwase asem on social media ne Ghana ho. Said yen. Menya den. Mo bottom. Now let me show you who J.A. Kufuor is. Yati krom ha. Mo enkwara no mo ba na beti history kitin bi. Na mo adwene am say ye ne penifo na mo beto ye no. Ye ka asem a ye nim de ye ka. Ope one of the greatest criminals o medi Ghana so a. And I say Ghana be doing that. J.A. Kufuor. Yes. Because there are so many things, facts under his leadership. CHRAJ clearly said he's not supposed to be a statesman in Ghana. And in Jamaica, I've drawn the line. And Debbie Ameka Kufuor as a husband, as a father, as a grandfather, as a family head, I respect him. But as a politician, Kufuor is a criminal. Yes, or a Kufuor. And nobody can contest that because the facts are clear. As an NPP member, a card-bearing member of the NPP, I will keep my word every single day. And it needs to be recorded in the history of Ghana. Because Kufuor Krono be boy, you know. So President B Bobi Okroma anka enne Ghana ne yetene kentia. Kufuor is the greatest political criminal in the history of Ghana. The only thing I want the fact make am say boy. And I'm going to show you a little bit of Kufuor today. Me be tell Kufuor the cunning nature. The lies he told you people, the way he amassed wealth, conflict of interest, nepotism, clear corrupt practices, Kufuor siphoning, making sure our state facilities. Asem na wo catch them. Me den. Na Kufuor my den. Kufuor my den. So you people, at the end of the day, I am mubi munsie nyansa. Wey enwi mu power. No, but I name ya say, the mo ye no. Kufuor because we are about to expose Kufuor. You want to be 20 years, 21 years. I'm going to take Kufuor some. I'm going to name the detailing. Nyoma Kufuor ya ne dangerous and the politician be ya anka Ghana ebe butu. And so young people in the MPP bebre bonim ena Kufuor be the president 25 years ni. 25 good years ni. Why are we not protecting the Kufuor who just left office? I didn't think I could protect the Kufuor. If you say, no more Bonia Kufuor, you know, MPP for Sante for the person Kataso. Mumu be more bodam. Muntieme. Anamatese and Kuko Kasakasa. Me say Mumu be no more bodam. Moba, no more Bekandia Kufuor, and the Bonnie and a work cratasono. The facts, no, Nama catch that in Chiriman say, Papa way, or no, and our Bogana form, then we start to move forward. Na ahwode amudi defend Kufuor no adena mo fa bi defend Kufuor do ahwode na amonya na mudi defend Kufuor adena mo fa bi defend Kufuor because Kufuor is a twerp. He's a toy president. That guy is basically a dwarf who does not respect the rule of law. Go and defend the Kufuor. Adena mo twa Kufuor do eja Moko baby a mugi se nipa dodo no enim history no. But you see, our job here is to sell the message to the people. Use the fact to let people know. Dream our politicians say dear. It is a majority must say money message. The strategy is more sympathetic vote. Intia more for Kufuor don't count. Today you people are shy to defend the Kufuor don't kwasia for more Kufuor but Jimmy Bre obuya fast because not Facebook in war. Obuya fast because not Twitter and share effective. Obuya fast because there are no records. Me ankame nye way but more MPP for them with Jimmy Ntin and Pesa Ghana for whom nipa Kufuor ye. Na ye senya another person Kufuor politics man Ghana bebo. And I've said and I'm going to say this again. Kufuor as a husband I respect him. Kufuor as a grandfather I respect him. Kufuor as a family head, I respect him. Kufuor as an Ashanti, I respect him. But Kufuor as a politician is a criminal. He's one of the greatest criminals we have ever had to lead Ghana. And nobody can change my mind on that because the facts are there and clear. 2024 me bosso, but ana mumu enkwara bi na munim Ghana political history no. Ana moma nkwasiafobi. On said the mere nyubre a Kufuor. You know why? Because ankanya mo a anka wedi enka meka. Mo agiminti mo de mo papa na ne nsa akɔhye binim. Mo MPP fo na ba omiankola ne Samira Jantre ni no me se mo agiminti mo de mo papa Kufuor ne nsa akɔhye binim. And that is what you do today. The damage J.A. Kufuor did to Ghana. The nonsense we experienced under Kufuor. The clear-cut manipulation of the system, stealing us daylight robbery, creating opportunities for his cronies to steal from us. That is what I'm talking about. And to Kufuor again, yes. Adam, who am say? Now, maybe I'm on Kufuor. My mention the Kufuor kakra, and right now we are going to have the Kufuor episode on this platform. And I'm going to say. Mona mokaka Kufuor ko na dakem because Kufuor no na nkompese sa anwoma wo yebeka ka kire nchirima no mo mahu se sa na ote ba mo Samira ba omiamma Mahmudu ba omiamma mo na makofa ba me ekọ I'm a nice guy. I mention history kakra ba Kufuor kro no be boy detailing kakra mumu bebre no asantifo ni bi MPP fo ni monte brofo nti ya kenkan krata na monte ase ende mekan na madwudwam Kevin Taylor me den mo bodam na me betia no oyin se obi da hwe me ya de what Kufuor hotel Kufuor Chief Kufuor so owner of Hotel Kufuor but munim details of Krono Kufuor e dey sa hotel we bo Ghana hey munim de Kufuor owo e crop just a Cuba nke hanging da Kufuor okopre China anke jeli no Kufuor anka North Korea anka mo de ahoma so do kon ye na ye jibi ntini so nkwase asem so Ghana. There are so many people who came to lead us and they are not supposed to be walking on the streets of Ghana. Yes, because of the damage they did. Hey, Mojin say in town ya de chechire man sebio obi anyiri nti odi boni ama me yanka. You are the cause of Ghana's problems. Mon kwara ni bi no. In the oti and say, I didn't know about Nasia. Mon keka we nyina nkyere ma Ghana fo hu the kind of people you are. The MPP, the kind of people you are. But when you come, and where you say, and where internet can come, Jimmy, make sure bomb no you bunko to be more bottom. Now, me, who have I offended? Why am I anybody? Oh, because I am telling the people the gospel truth. Now, this issue, nipa be bratia some way. Oh, Kufuor Hotel, Kufuor. Utie details in the woman a betcha sunum. Let me show you something. That issue I friend of a Hotel Wawa Airport West Hospitality Company Limited Kufuor Emma Ebie. Mama show and Asem be catch we. Ebi what Kufuor Hotel Kufuor dey and dey. Omunka details in because omun so mu chire we here. Kufuor bubefu. Now in some of the calendar nyina no for President Omaba nefa just to put down nefa say John Mahama. Na yɛn fan toto nsan kende nkwasi afom titi radio so TV so Facebook and TikTok 88 no san come back the omo kana. Let me show you this. Now, establishment of the company CHRAJ findings. Kufuor ede using a ma area Ghana sika esa the state banks sika eto hotel ema ne ho tie me Kufour ema ne mabie companies ena in the CHRAJ report no companies no bie no Kufour ma mienu ena na company ne omodia na dia one say Kufour at the state agencies banks they are buying banks ena omoma omudi sika ma omoto dean eto sa hotel no na Kufour na president. Now the commission found that one AWHCL, that is the Airport West Hospitality Company Limited, incorporated in 2002 and was used as the vehicle for the acquisition of the hotel. Sa company near Freno, Airport West Hospitality Company Limited, 2002, and yet see, and I go president. Now, sa company no mutie no, and no the fast to sa hotel no. Strategy ben no fast to hotel no. Now, report wedding or say Chief Kufour established a company, the Airport West Hospitality Company Limited, as a vehicle for the purchase of the hotel. It's Chief Kufour on the J.A. Kufour ba or could be a company and or this company no eto hotel. Nani papa na ye president. How did he raise money? Onya sika wain. Chief Kufour, how much was he worth? Ne papa be di president year ben 2000s 2002 no be a company and or the to hotel nani sika wain. The guarantee a chest of to hotel the free hina buy. Obeka tell say me and Kufour ho asem. E wi say me Kufour lazy. Inti nan kama betina na meji mi fantini nti me me pa chawo. Me pa wan chawo. Ma me chira wade. Details na me de ma no. Now, CHRAJ findings. CHRAJ stated that at the time of investigation, John Kufour was the sole shareholder. Sa company near Freno, Airport West Hospitality Company Limited. No, na John Kufour kwan shareholder. Sa company kakraka ebeto a hotel worth billions na nipa ba ko pe ene dia. One person. J.A. Kufour ba John Kufour. Onu kwan ene dia. Now, sole signatory and one of the directors, tie, now no one signature and a command sa company no, and at the end of the day, or you're one of the directors, meaning nani paba could be kahun and a mommy in your hotel, back shareholder and a back director. Why na director? The sole shareholder as of the time of investigations was Chief Kufour, who was also a sole signatory. The report further stated Nana Ama Kufour was the other director. Nana Ama Kufour is Kufour's daughter. Chief Kufour is Kufour's son. Nana Ama Kufour Kufour baba. Chief Kufour Kufour babema. Omu mienu nkwane be a hotel a company no. Bema no ena ni signature running company no. Ono na osi ene dia ena ni nua ba o Kufour ba ne dia director. Two people. But I was at that time, no, not Chief Kufour, no, how much is he worth? Nani sika yes saying. Nini abano a director, no, or nani sika yes saying. Kufour ma mi be company in 2002. On papa be the president na. Me chao Kufour, how diabolic, dreamer or these state institutions edi Ghana. What was said there? Yekasa Kufour, as a politician is a criminal, a wolf. Shadi. CHRAJ for investigations, no, this is what they came up with. CHRAJ found that Prudential Bank coordinated financing for the acquisition and completion of the hotel. Kufour president na neba ni kapre no, and a Prudential Bank for and omo ye den omo coordinating financing omo pay sika from sa bank and any other banks and omo de ba Kufour ba no. When na president na Kufour and a president. Suddenly or interestingly, a banks nyina e state banks omo nyina ba together so omo ba Kufour ba no sika podium anakoto hotel. Na Chief Kufour no ye hwan. Their role no play. Kufour ba boy no. Kufour Junior no ye hwan. Now, Chief Kufour applied to Prudential Bank Limited (PBL) to mobilize about $6 million to acquire, complete, and operate the hotel. Chief Kufour instructed the Prudential Bank. Any other bank to say, Omunjiji sika $6 million. Sa asem na ye kan 2002 unim ska ye kan wasem 2002 unim be bia $6 million unim sa sika no unim se dia tie and the cross $6 million ubetumi akan Kufour ne ba onika pre otumi instruct banks emomutumi put it together $6 million. This is 2002. I mention idea. Make sure who Kufour is and the part one no. Role of National Investment Bank. You didn't like a Prudential Bank. Now National Investment Bank also eka ho and omuji sasika di free omo. CHRAJ findings. The commission found that NIB, National Investment Bank, participated in financing the project. NIB should do musika koshemu. Over Papa president 2 years ago, so 1.5 years. Suddenly, what to me, I'm making sure that banks wage now will be a company in 2002. Banks wage to me raise sika at the amount. NIB, National Investment Bank. National Investment Bank, Meno Bank. They took that money. Almost can one pump sikama Kufour ba. Now report wedding. NIB is reported to have agreed to finance the hotel with an amount of $2.5 million, which includes an equity subscription of $200,000. NIB, a bank nisika $2.5 million. Kufour ba be a company 2002. Only new bank one company nim. On papa na president. Omotima ageti state banks, any other banks to give them over $6 million. You think it's a joke? Adia way and there. Mahama Ba and a Mahama Ba president and a baby hotel and a banks money $60 million. I can't get better kuma. Also Kufour the angel. Mami anka Kufour Asem. Now, this is the CHRAJ report that me really chiro. Me wia na ma chira mo say, mo pa Kufour onya angel, mo pa Kufour onya disabled, mo pa Kufour just lazy. And nobody is going to force me to change my words because maybe you want to put him in that category of Kufour disabled. Because me but I want people to know Kufour no, who Kufour is. Ebi ankwana about 20 years ni munim Kufour. Unim dreamer Kufour di Ghana. Now let me show you this. CHRAJ report on payment to Anthony Saud. I say the commission found that the former owner of the property, Anthony Saud, was paid in installments. Ukuanima report wedding. Mr. Anthony Saud was paid $3.5 million for the hotel in 2 installments. Yaga say installment omutia 3.5 million 2 installment omutia bako and be $3.5 million. Kufour ba no konya ska free. Company obi in 2002 ne investment net saying how much was that company worth to be able to make sure state banks raise $6 million a Kufour who was buying the hotel. Yatete Ghana, yenka Kufour Asem. Most of them bekeka kwasi Asem. Mona makofa we aba wo. Yebe bie Kufour too. He has no credibility in politics. As a father, I respect him. As a grandfather, I respect him. As an Ashanti elder, I respect. But Kufour as a politician is a criminal. And that will follow him. Because nyoma Kufour yeno, si atrani asese osan kenne Kufour dem. Hey. Mama chama debi. Report specified 2 million on February 27, 2004 and 1.5 million on August 20, 2004. And that's how they paid the money. Right there. ECOWAS Regional Investment Bank. The banks some use here, NIB, Prudential Bank, ECOWAS Regional Investment Bank. Omuma loan saying CHRAJ confirmed approval of financial support from ERIB, ECOWAS Regional Investment Bank. Now, the report said further support came from the ERIB with an approval of a loan facility of $1 million on August 17, 2005 for Kufour Sons Company. Remember, company where I just $6 million. So nipa mi nupe ene yomudia Kufour ba bema ene ne baba. Osi me anka Kufour ho asem. Enti me kire mu se Kufour no anka disen ko gina bedwom kura kasa. No. Nobody should give Kufour any space to speak in Ghana politics. Wo betu ehun be hyem me ko mumu. Na no be am free ba. Ana mo bodam. Let me show you Kufour, the damage Kufour did. Allegation that President Kufuor was the real owner. Investigations from CHRAJ. And I'm really sure. CHRAJ did not find substantial evidence proving that President Kufuor secretly owned the hotel. But listen, although the exact final wording is not fully reproduced in the sources available online, the overall conclusion reported publicly was that, and I quote, the evidence supported ownership by John Kufuor. 2. Not hidden ownership by the president. This is reflected in the headline reporting of the findings. Chief Kufuor, sole owner of the hotel Kufuor. The main aim was for Kufuor to own the company or own the hotel and then making it look like it belongs to his son. So you see, when CHRAJ did all their report, you will not find Kufuor's name in there, say, hotel near Kufuor there. But when you go back to check how Chief Kufuor and in nearby, it will be a company. 2002, omutumi F4C, state institutions, state banks to give them 6 million. Who influenced that? Because Chief Kufuor, they don't have that money. That company was less than 2 years. That company had only 2 directors and 1 signatory. So how were they able to raise that money? It was because Kufuor was president and he influenced that process. Yes. Now, Mamen Show, CHRAJ conclusion, what did they say? Ownership of the hotel. CHRAJ conclusion. CHRAJ concluded that the hotel was legally owned by John Kufuor. That is what Kufuor wanted. Through a company called Airport West Hospitality Company Limited. So that is what Kufuor wanted to establish. Hotel on the media, by Mama Mebano, and I had the ADNIM into 2002. Meti company. Me baba man me baba no nkwa ne belidi me dinim enti achi omokra you can't mention my name. That was the master plan. Now, Mr. John Kufuor, the son of President John Agyekum Kufuor, is the sole owner of the property near the president's private residence known as Hotel Kufuor. Baby na Kufuor no hotel ni sino. Sa hotel wa no na ene Kufuor private residence na share wall. Do you understand? Sa hotel na in the friend Regency Hotel so dey na e wa Accra no. Right now it is called African Regent Hotel. Sa hotel na almost $6 million those times no. Na ene Kufuor private residence na share wall. J.A. Kufuor president no. Hotel na ne baneto no ene Kufuor efiri na share wall. What are you telling me? Ose Kufuor is corrupt. He's the worst president in the history of Ghana. Yes, me chamo Kufuor no. Mona mo pushi mo de ne share bracket bi me fa Kufuor share bracket bi amo. Mona mo se Kufuor disabled. Kufuor is not disabled. It is amo besa mo come asema monka. Mema kwa sie bi antal Kevin Taylor say and the yare about Kufuor the doctor's report agero. Kufuor publishing the doctor's report so disabled. Yeah, can Kufuor dwuma obedi ya obo Ghana kro no mo de mo kwase atete Facebook ni TikTok Jimmy mo ho. Why na me ya MPP ni ba ekuta card. O say NDC for na menkasa na NDC papa dia. Mo bodam. Ma me tell who Kufuor is. Now, overall takeaway from the CHRAJ findings. What CHRAJ effectively concluded, the hotel was legally owned by John Kufuor, which is what Kufuor wanted to do from the beginning, because no him say fraudulent. But on one year, a betcha to the Nembana Nebeye. 2. Financing came through banks and institutional loans. 3. The president was not proven to be the hidden owner. And 4. CHRAJ did not establish criminal corruption against President Kufuor. At that time, who is CHRAJ to say Kufuor has committed a crime? Because from day one, J.A. Kufuor planned this very well so that the arrow, the direction will not come to him. So you will never say Kufuor, but unimunyansa now was said the beginning. Oma be a company, no, the number of people in the company, how these banks all came together to give them money. Then you will know that the hotel was being purchased by J.A. Kufuor. I don't know one country, but on paper. So we are rational now. The same people in one person, but you will see Kufuor basically influence the process to buy that hotel because it shared a wall with his private residence. Now, my mention idea, who Kufuor is. Let me show you. Under J.A. Kufuor, there's something called Mechemu. Nyoma Kufuor ye where part 1. Mesemu nkonko defend Kufuor, da munja Kufuor on the pasco kra. Now, my mention danger be and like Kufuor we see him. You are mention idea be under Kufuor. Now, there's something called the Consolidated Report of the Auditor General. I mean, document legitimate. Consolidated Report of the Auditor General Special Audit into Operations of District Assemblies for the period 2001 to 2004. Now, here. Transmittal letter is there. Introduction, scope of coverage. Now, share part 2. Cash management, page 6 to 633. Expenditure control, page 34 to 53. Procurement and stores management, page 54 to 68. Contract management, page 69 to 70. Air loans management, 91 105. Statutory matters, 106 to 115. Now, pages now, that was part 2. Pages now, page 3, page 9, page 14, page 17, page 22, page 26, and page 29. Shadi Siwo Kufour, under the leadership of Kufour. Kufour only any right to speak about corruption in Ghana. They say he's one of the greatest criminals in Ghana politics. I'm not sure there. Where district assembly auditor under Kufour, I'm not sure. Now, this document, Office of the Auditor General, Ministries, Block O, blah, 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 DSA, Consolidated Report of the Auditor General on Special Audits into the Operations of District Assemblies for the period 2001 to 2004. Now, who read the letter in Yina? Well, maybe I cycle or read, no. I'm sure I did all. I say, the report portrays financial management lapses, breaches and internal controls, and departures from the legislative framework, policies and guidelines established for the administration of the district assemblies. These have in no small measure contributed to the irregularities with financial value of more than 237 billion Ghana cedis, appearing in this report, which have been included in my annual report to Parliament. Auditor General say, under the leadership of Kufour from 2001 to 2004, audited district assemblies, because of when Nimraso, no maybe a bino, district assemblies be a fumia a boost, a car omujirigu na around 237 billion Ghana cedis. Now, who breaking it down now? We share the Auditor General at that time. You'll be shocked under Kufour. Munim sa nyoma wenti. Monyo sa Kufour ba no or Yesu because mu mudu do MPP for Sebia Santifo be mon kenkan. Mo pese mu politi Ghana former Kufour ba Yesu. Kufour is not Jesus. He's the worst president in the history of Ghana. Now, I'm sure idea. You see, yanko inside the audit. Honorable Uyumbe show idea. Consolidated summary of key findings and recommendations. Cash management. Should you see here under Mo Papa Kufour. 1. Cash management issues involving a total amount of 52.2 billion were noted in various district assemblies as follows. 1. Failure to issue receipts. Under Kufour, district assemblies did not issue receipts. Sika about 23.6 billion went away. We didn't see it. Under J.A. Kufour, and remember, Mr. T read the first page, Okacham say, Omo Nimra Biaso, Parliament Mro, Ghana Mro, na under J.A. Kufour, the district assemblies, they were not following any rule. 2. District disbursement from revenue, 7.32 billion. 3. Misapplication of funds, 6.5 billion. This is 2004. What did Kufour do? He did nothing because he had set his people at the district assemblies. That is how he was making the money. 4. Missing district assembly common fund, HIPIC funds and transfers. Missing district assembly common fund, HIPIC funds and transfer, 3.46 billion. Common fund, HIPIC sikakra iraye. Transfers and amfribem na ira. Kwasiafo mo say yeme pa Kufour chow. The same period na Kufour Airto Hotel no na yawo HIPIC. Where did he get the banks get that money from? But this is the audit. He picks the District Assembly Common Fund during transfers. How much was missing? 3.46 billion. The report is there. Go and read. Mekane Kufuor is the greatest criminal in Ghana's political history. Now, Kwasiebi to say, Adana, Okasasa. I'm showing you the facts. When come in here, Muna Musemenye. Number 5, source deduction by District Assembly Common Fund, 3.4 billion. Every single thing was in billions. This is the Auditor General's report. Now you come to misappropriation of internally generated fund. IGF now, 2.77 billion. They just chop IGF. Internally generated fund now, district assemblies were raising, they were chopping it. And Kufour. Then you tell me, say, Mama Kufour Asem, Adaya, Mr. Kufour is lazy to TB that. Make sure Kufour no. Now you go to MP's Common Fund, not fully accounted for 1.9 billion. MP's Common Fund, almost a dinina. And don't forget, Kufour was the ECOWAS chairman there. It owns a hotel, make one sabachrono. Now, ECOWAS bank account, and Kufour was the ECOWAS chairman. Remember, Revi, don't sit there and say, the American Yana Kufour, your hepic, na or say ECOWAS chairman, and it's in a hotel, no, na neba, etuminya loan free ECOWAS bank, no. Now you go to suppression of value books, 1.6 billion. Unsupported 8 fund disbursement. 8 sika. Yeah, 8. Yeah, that could 8, no. 1.29 billion. Omujisas Kenya die. 8 for musika. Then we come to on-end salaries. Salaries this and for 789.7 million Ghana cedis. Remember, Metro Kufour Ban Hotel, no, where a District Assembly Common Fund audits and Kufour. Make a hotel now, make a choice ECOWAS bank account. Na Kufour na the chairman of ECOWAS. Satani or hepic na the bar air top a hotel of $6 million. Na banks are ECOWAS banks, national investment banks, Ghana for banks. Those were the banks giving Kufour sika. Where Jimmy? Okay, Jim say I should not speak on Kufour. Me me chawa debi. Mo pe Kufour story. Mo be defend the Kufour. Mo pa. You see this? Top 5 scandals that rocked J.A. Kufuor's government. Men call 5 in the one pair. You see this one? Diversion of 60 billion Ghana cedis to fund party communication strategy. Under Kufour, he was able to divert 60 billion under his leadership to fund NPP communication strategy. You are sitting there. Also Kufour doing. Imagine. Sa ban bi aba. Near say ban tam sika we command the party communication strategy. This is Kufour. Let me read a story. Another scandal which rocked the NPP administration under President Kufour was the alleged diversion of 60 billion, which was reported to have been used for the party's communication strategy. A 2009 audit report, go and find it and read in Moa. A 2009 audit report revealed that an amount of 60 billion of taxpayers' funds accrued from the Tema Oil Refinery Debt Recovery Levy, TOR Sika. TOR. Sika ne that TOR. Tema Oil Refinery Debt Recovery Levy, HIPIC, and others were used to fund the NPP's communication strategy for the 2008 general elections. Omutam TOR Sika, and omutam HIPIC Sika. And I'm call party CF party communication strategy. 60 billion Ghana cedis. Also, I Kufour Asem. Into Uber threaten me a call. Uber una me. Uber kamashe. Abufnu. Now, the report, however, determined that auditors could not find details of this communication strategy or how it was executed, but found that certain dubious payments had been made to amorphous groups which with names such as First Responders, Blow, and Prim. These are the groups they put together. Oh, this is an MPP group. Blow. Where must you from Prim? Where must you from First Responders? 60 billion under Kufour. When you dream of Kufour, be Ghana. Me chem kakra bi na ma ye me show. Na me tese kwasie bie na no. Kufuor is supposed to be in jail. Na nim de wa ma me kire ade bi. Kufuor about power no. In some America nyina woni nipa na eye Kufuor Auditor General. It was this man. Dr. Dia Ajiman. Do you know that man? That was the same man Kufuor buy or the audit board, so audit service board. He was the man harassing Dumelivo. Dr. Dia Ajiman was Kufuor's board chair, Auditor General. This Dia Ajiman, papa ya na oti eye Auditor General's board and this one na frustrated Dumelivo no. It is the same man. He was the Auditor General for Kufuor. Mu see Jimmy ana. Na na Kufuor buy no dey akwa the audit service board so and they started frustrating Dumelivo because it wasn't a Kufuor who appointed Dumelivo, and these were the people who were going after Dumelivo on the board. So Dumelivo petitions the Kufuor over interference by board chairman. This man, Sa Papa we Dia Ajiman we onu na na Kufuor Auditor General. He is the one who covered all the crimes in Kufuor's administration. He didn't surcharge even one person. Dia Ajiman. Anything that Dumelivo yes obey Jumano, Kufuor the most frustrated Dumelivo our audit board and so because Kufuor this is what they do. Muna mukofa ba yo na mitimi baby mukofa stone boy. I was just sitting at my somewhere enjoying my something and mukofa ba yes abo pese Ghana for Kufuor boni awedi. Why we are not supposed to even allow him to speak on national television on state issues, on national issues. This man, into Ushaya, he was the one frustrating Kufuor. Onye, Professor Dia Ajiman resigns as chairman of Audit Service Board. This is 2025. Where mo na mo frustrated Dumelivo no, where na ye auditor, Emma Kufuor. Afe what ya say, most ma mianka Kufuor asem. Ni aka say endem bebunu no, ye kire de Kufuor aye, achiro mo a. Oyizo mu Kufuor mebu no. We are covering some up because ye pese Kufuor enya a little bit of respect in the system. Ni aka say ye bie Kufuor to a, and ye say Kufuor anko to impia bontene. He has no moral right to even speak on corruption in Ghana. Now, my mention my DB, me respond demo with facts. Someone I'm saying Kufuor disabled. I want a problem because me a call. There is no tape on this planet. I'm saying Kufuor disabled. No, I am more created that impression. No, because mo konante and I'm a video of me insulting Otum for me nyabi. And I'm Kufuor we aba because mo just say I didn't be power. Mo bodam me meti hano onyankopon wo ho no. No power for Bawumia and Jantrani no. No power. Mojen say, Moko 90 8 years, when a video, a direct video of me insulting Kufuor. Until you thought this is red meat for you people. I am not that pushover young man. Every single thing I do, I calculate. I know what I am doing. No, because whatever I talk about, but the fact that and my credibility is more important than your mother's dross. Until me, as I sit here, I'm not somebody you can just come and say things and I'll be like, oh, me come so easy, so because Asem make be Kufuor is not disabled. If you people, MPP people, want to force Kufuor to be disabled, it's your problem. It is not my problem. Kufuor is just lazy. He is not disabled. And Minjina Baby Anka Kufuor is disabled. It is someone who Kufuor is disabled. That is your problem. You will have to go and beg Kufuor for creating the impression that Kufuor is disabled. He is not. Now, in Suwa, Mamencha report, in Mebruna Mabanunim Kufuor, government white paper on the report of the Commission of Inquiry, Ghana at 50. Unim Nyama Kufuor ria through Ghana at 50. Unim Kronoa Kufuor boy, Mona Muyo, me Metiano, Nama Yedin, Namin Pesame Bibia. Mona Mosem in church Ghana from Dream and a Kronoa J. Kufuor bo Ghana, and I made Ghana forum. Yanko Ghana at 50. Niansha Kronoa Kufuor. And then the MPP ni bought Ghana at 50. Detailing in a meya chirabono. A Jimmy for Munti lazy I say. Wasia for most of them can say moi. You don't understand lazy. In Kamwa move thing monken kind. My say zoom punching. Wake us my Jiminti. Yawu Sanchi. I say mobro. I say my toilet mumu. Moka say Jimmy mu. instead of you to understand the mokano, mood kasese jimimu. And me, I am here. Me what time? Me what time? Now, my man, show Chrono Kufour the Ghana at 50 bob. Me ne. And so, there, you see, be return the command to be he's living good on the mountains. Maybe I could for a dance, Masasa done in chain. Yeah. Me told Masasa 2012. Maybe I could for Masasa done in chain. I'm not a joke like that. Now let me show you this. Shadia. Say Kufour Asem ma embebunu ni hu Kufour boni awedi ene krono awabo. This is a year report. Audit report na me chew no. Ghana at 50 now what say Kufour Ghana at 50. Audit report we read the government accepts the following observations, the deductions and findings of the commission. A commission came together to do a forensic audit investigations. Ghana at 50 no. Where Kufour kodwom pieni rekubrobe ne set no. A total of 51,800,000 United States dollars. $51 million na Kufour dey Ghana at 50. 2007. 51 million. A total amount of 31,800,000 United States dollars. 38.1 million, equivalent at that time to 293.10 billion. So $31 million in 2007. Now the Ghana schema now you 293.10 billion. So that's the kind of Kufour the Ghana at 50. Almost a year 300 billion Ghana cedis. That is the amount of the Ghana at 50. No? After the forensic audit, or investigations, Eddie White paper president say there was saying almost 300 billion cedis and Kufour so the Ghana at 50. Ghana at 50 DNA. And yet line amusa ko jina serebia yeah in Kufour to ma 300 billion went into Ghana at 50. Reports, no investigations. That's what he told us. Now you see this. Now, out of the 293.10 billion or $29.31 million, it was approved by Parliament. Original Parliament this moment to say, "Mama, me almost 300 billion to go and do Ghana at 50." And people are now majority in Parliament. They gave Kufour 300 billion for celebrating one-day event. Now, Uko Enima, that's what it says. The first tranche of 20 million United States dollars, equivalent to 182.90 billion, was approved on 20th July 2006. The second tranche of 11,800,000 United States dollars, equivalent to 110 billion Ghana cedis, was a loan from Fidelity Bank. That was also approved by Parliament on the 30th day of July 2007. First chunk in the Parliament approved here. Second chunk, a loan, free Fidelity, a whole country. Yes, celebrating Ghana at 50. We had to take loan from a bank under Kufour. Almost 300 billion. And Kufour G say, or the celebrity Ghana at 50. Kade, me chira Kufour, mon kwala na munim dwumadia Kufour be di no. By 31st December 2008, a total sum of 97 million, let me open it up. 97,770,388 Ghana cedis and 44 Ghana pesos. That's the amount being spent on the celebration. So by the 31st of December 2008, na Kufour Sika was spending 97 billion on the celebration. 97 billion. Now, moving forward, this exceeded the sum of 29,310,000 Ghana cedis approved by Parliament. Parliament approved Sika Kufour. Parliament Sika wa approved Kufour spending more than how much Parliament approved. Parliament see come approve say Kufuor je fire no. Kufuor spent more than the parliament. Now, when you move forward, this was in violation of Article 178 of the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana and the Financial Administration Act 2003, Act 654. J.A. Kufuor ebu Ghana mraso Article 178 obuso Parliament sefasika we celebration or do more than that. And then Kamahama yes adena angana kambeka kamode monum kanka beka mahama kromfo mahama yewi mo papa Kufuor Juma dia odi in Ghana now. The terminal report na me read achire mo no. Enti metinaga Kufuor ye kromfo a. Memo bia ntinaga Ghana ngase e na me mu panyini. Panyini obi afie, but a Kufuor as an elderly man, as an Ashanti, as a father, as a grandfather, I respect him so much as a husband. But Kufuor as a politician is a criminal. Me MPP in Americans Asem no. Now, the available records show that the Secretariat alone spent 75 million Ghana cedis. Kufuor BA Ghana at 50 secretariats. Celebration no OBA secretariat almost spending close to 80 million Ghana cedis. A secretariat keke. CBA Kufuor BA free SHS secretariat na odiwia musike nyina no. JA Kufuor Ghana at 50 OBA secretariat keke. The secretariat no is spending close to 80 million Ghana cedis just on the celebration, as against the CEO's reported 60 million Ghana cedis. Almost spending close to 80 million. And so CEO of the secretariat, Ekas almost spending 60 million. This is an audit. This is the report. Who was the CEO? Why is the CEO working? Anytime I say JJ Rollins had a problem with Atamils because say you forward na go say chomugum and Atamils by Christo sem. And the MP vote me and not to be catch a Ghana for say NDC to me NDC are crumb for. It is because the NDC has always allowed these piglets to be walking on the streets, because these MPP criminals are not supposed to be walking on the streets of Ghana. Mamencho danger team ya Kufuor. Now, uko enima. This is the report I'm reading to you. The MPC and the Secretariat utilized all the internally generated funds representing the sale of cars. Cars that are Ghana at 50 no, almost finishing in representing the sale of cars and Sase land, furnishing, mansions, sponsorship, totaling 19.3 million. Ghana at 50, that was the first time who car a friend Chrysler. Ghana at 50. Kufuor was a Chryslers about Ghana. BMWs. They took the cars, they shared it among each other. That is Kufuor. That was the first time who was Chrysler. Obi drive will be. And I'm who I'm saying, hey, Ghana at 50. And I'm who Chrysler first time. Osi Kufuor then Yesu. I don't have the right to criticize him as a politician. I am bother mo. Now, this is what the commission says. The chairman of the NPC claimed to have obtained written authorization from the Minister of Finance to use the internally generated funds. The National Planning Committee, almost say, Finance Minister Mom go ahead and say, almost spend this sikana. Abra Parliament actually almost sika almost spending. They did not even trust Parliament. They did not even respect the law. Omu Ghana mra. Omu Parliament. Ko 4 times na mechira no. He never respected the laws, because that time now unima kenkan na unim bibia na Asante for radio nkwa na news into omo kata Kufuor krono so and I make sure no say Kufuor is the worst president in Ghana ha. You have a president obo krono Kufuor. Atamils made one of the biggest mistakes. And JJ Rollins always had an issue with Atamils. Oh yes. Now here the Minister of Finance did not have the mandate to give the authorization, since it would have been contrary to Article 176 and 178 of the 1992 Constitution. The Finance Minister then did not have the authorization. Because the MPC CEO no say Finance Minister no charges so omundiskano. Moana mo bota mo MPP for I say we ntwamwa. Kwasiafo mo ka say anyhow. Now, when you move forward in that investigations, the law is that authorization for the use of internally generated funds can only be granted by an act of parliament. Utilizing the internally generated fund without authorization from parliament constitutes a violation of Article 176 and 178 of the 1992 Constitution. Inti, the whole planning committee, the but you know what? Kufour did not care because they used Ghana at 50 to steal from us. Me say anytime I mbo Kufour Asem Subiano, me kai mo Kufour. Me ma nchiriba ne who Kufour is. Kadia bia Kufour ye. Now, the internally generated funds were to have been used to repay the fidelity loan. Sikana almost said, secretariat raised, internally, nanko some ko tia fidelity loan, no. And so what happened? Omuntia and omudie. Enti wan ebetua saka no you and I and ebetua saka no enti omo a na omudi anim a yakoji loan of fidelity a na sika omu raise by the secretariat ya also editua no because people donated. Banks, so many people donated to the Ghana at 50. Enti sa sika no na nko se de ko tua loan na ya gire fidelity. And so Kufour and make sure say ni rekubro be mpieni mu no they chopped all the money. They didn't care. They are all supposed to be in jail. Obi say, and today they are grooming another criminal in the name of Baumia to come and sit on us and shit all over the country. Now, Owiero delete videos in free GBC. And baby and Wabako Ghana at 50 videos. Kufour na over free power. And on instructed GBC for say everything that corrupt about him corrupt biano or deleting in tapes and it is so difficult. Yeah, open Kwame Nkrumah videos, time another president easy to access it than to get Kufour's videos. But I was had because Kufour is a political criminal, strategically or you're good in stealing. Anything and there you go on the internet, you don't find anything about Kufour, but you can find so many things about Kwame Nkrumah. You can find so many things about Liman. You can find things about JJ Rawlings. You can find things, but J.A. Kufour, you need to struggle. You know why? Because Bonia Kufour Bedi, he cleaned his ass. Now, let me leave it here. After Ghana at 15, what I say, I don't even want to conclude it. Now, yes, I didn't know, we Ghana at 15, no. I feel who a car now a bo sika omudi unim do we Ghana at 59 or they redenomination by because he wanted a way to bridge the debt to look like Yandeka 1:1 and then a common create a Ghana at 50 better also because you see Ghana at 50 no he made so much money, they stole so much from us, they wanted a way to make sure said the debt automatically fizzles away or evaporate. So how were they going to create that for people to say oh, Kufour boka 10 billion and the $1 any 10 billion $1 anything or buy now say or the be a friend redenomination. Now ask yourself, Kufour did redenomination buy no? You busa Bank of Ghana for say redenomination. I didn't know do you understand? Reasons on my okay. Kufour say 1 Ghana 50 pesos. Me see Kufour a boss akron ni nyina wie no oni ni kofim pie mu ne otafma fo mu wie na so da bi sa ekewe ayabo ato na too much aban sisan ebeko jail. So let's do something, let's rebase, let us do redenomination. Yama sika no ahode no embedru the same as the dollar send ye be ya aban sisan na say ye bo besia ana ye wie sika 10 billion it is the same as Ghana city. And then the redenomination by it is when you go and read the document Bank of Ghana a release here about redenomination. The reasons for redenomination. I'm sure idea. This is the reasons that they gave for the redenomination. These are the specific reasons the Bank of Ghana gave in 2007 for the redenomination of the city, based on the official explanation and Bank of Ghana publications at that time. Enti reasons ben tina Kufour say Ghana sika no oba be redenomination after owie no after owie sika ni nyina one ne nkofo no ewie Ghana at 50 na e kabeda so no then they said yenye redenomination na sika ni nyina nya pe se na be Ghana fo ejimi nti omunhu sika dodo ayewia. Now let me show you the reasons in here. JA Kufour a redenomination, the value is the same. Ohun some way Jimmy. 1. Simplification of accounting records and the ease of expressing monetary values. Simplification of the accounting record. Send a accountant for any Ghana for Yakan Sika Semboma Emfa Yeniso. You want to simplify it. Send a auditors, accountant, Yamata, Emfa Muniso. Aden na auditors ni accountant any bank manager amaka so mo yamata for money so because he wanted to simplify the money. Send a oboka 10 billion it will be Ghana $10 billion 10 billion cedis. Untumi nka say Kufour oye the samat na Kufour di Ghana ska. These are the reasons for redenomination. J Kufour. Now, second, reintroduction of the culture of using coins, which will reduce pressure on banknotes. Or say, now omo pese Ghana for enya sa subaina omo be use more coins. Send a note no ana paper sika no pressure amba so redenomination reasons ni. Kwasi afo mon kenkan MPP for nwan. Yeah, man na me to be baby o. I was enjoying in Ghana and I'm afraid me say me chirechirem. It is second reason almost say am pese di padodo use coins instead of notes and our paper sika send a pressure embed sika so redenomination reasons they be no. Messiah, get me the advert. Now, point 3, significant reduction in the transaction volumes. Almost now Sata Momunya redenomination. Now man for banker, na sika no doso. In 1% of 40 sika to kuta eco bank, the value is the same. Or give some way Jimmy. MP before Kufour not use some way Jimmy or use some with the same moi. These are the reasons until your redenomination. That was the beginning of our end as a nation because he was wiping out his debts. He was wiping out the money he stole with his colleagues. He was trying to find a way. And no, Baumia is a smart economist, because the Bank of Ghana Baumia as an advisor or something. So Baumia and Amobua Kufour money redenomination to the real Musikano. And it's an Baumia because if it wasn't for Baumia, Kufour the jail. And can you buy Bank of Ghana or manipulative papers, and much trust reasons where Kufour be them. Because that Kufour himself, CHRAJ is in Yano, but because that CHRAJ is himself for Kufour, he had evidence. So Kufour knew what he was doing. And it's in there, Baumia Jimmy and Sabbath now, Montuma Baumia, because Baumia saved him from going to jail. Number 5. Efficiency in payment system such as the use of ATMs. Also, I couldn't tell me a redenomination say, no percent Kufour to me use ATM pa. Kwasi Asem say. Do you know how much we spend to do redenomination? Unimsika say na, yeah redenomination unimsika Ghana say no. These are foolish people. Kufour ba omia ba almost by a closing of banks, banking closure. How much did they spend to close banks down? It is the same 442 formation. And where JA Kufour number 6, facilitating the introduction of the use of vendor machines and car parking meters. Redenomination, non compensate. I could tell me and say, send a parking meters, baby, and the Ghana, I from a parking meter. Send a bear park car, na meter be so, na meter they ready how long the car will stay there. No, wait here. How many from Kufour's time? And him for those a parking meter is Ghana. J. Kufour, Kufour. Only some way, Jimmy. On you say Sebio, you know, Santifoni, be doing kinkai. Almost na Sebio, the foolish masses, or Mubedi and PPH. That is what they did to you. Osama Kufour Asem. Now, number 7, promoting tourist expenditure. What the fuck is that? Promoting tourist expenditure. And it's now a redenomination. Now, these are the reasons, Baumia, try a manipulated documents, Emma Kufour redenomination of the Bank of Ghana. Because that time, no, na Baumia wo as a research assistant, they are the ones who guided Kufour to make sure he evade a jail. Now, moi, munyini na muti TikTok kan kwasi asem no. Me chamo JA Kufour na power na mebono. This is JA Kufour. What did he do? JA Kufour for Ghana sika $1.5 million. Or the day or the kwa bruchire konani gold. Edi be guni kum. Papa we JA Kufour
during his time in office. J.A. Kufour etam Ghana sika $1.5 million. Or the command a yedi en bruni se onnani chain in fambre no on fam man who award ene dan ko mu no. Me MPP J.A. Kufour in 2008 na oba be free power ena otam Ghana sika $1.5 million. Ena de ko abrochire ena de ko ma bruni say ye gold chain never mame na me fan to be come na me call for me fan bo me ho abaso. Now the story no the your story in my metro. When you read the story the BBC covered and yet me I'm showing you where the story BBC crack about story no and the news no it was carried by Will Ross BBC News Accra. Date na no the Friday 11 July 2008 8-9 p.m. UK time and a BBC epic story way J.A. Kufour story. And anytime I say Kufour Asem no otam Ghana sika. Now let's read the story. The Ghanaian government spent more than $1.5 million. That's around about 704,000 pounds. Buying 515 gold medals from a company based in the Channel Islands, officials have confirmed. Otam almost $1.5 million. Ediko abruchiri, ediko yedeng, ediko ma company bi. Our Channel Islands. So mo fanye gold non fan tunukum. Yam fan man award our Ghana. Now when you read the story, almost half of the medals were given out last week to prominent citizens at a colorful national award ceremony. The government says the rest will be presented over the next 4 years. Some medals now go for the 1.5 million. So that question sabano. Kakrebi no de man go for bi dia can say next 4 years the beba. Mumuza go for say medals na aka na wen. Go for your cromfo. Me say J.A. Kufour $1.5 million come out bruni wa bruchiri. And I say obebo no ho abaso ene nkofo bi. And or the come company bi no mo ye gold no 1.5 million. Yes, I did gold in the buy no medals in the buy no. Or so ni nyina ntuma ma na the next 4 years no eda yedim no 2009 10 11 12 no sa gold ni nyina beba na ya fresh anko for the gold na to mu kom mu ko busa papa Kufour say gold na sa for medals na aka na ewen into kind story now. I see almost half of the medals were given out last week to prominent citizens at a colorful national award ceremony. The government says the rest will be presented over next 4 years. The medals are intended to reward outstanding contribution to Ghana, but critics say the money would have been better spent alleviating poverty. Now, these are the facts. 18-karat gold. Recipients included politicians, chiefs, business leaders, and even country's president, John Kufuor, who will step down at the end of the year. 2008 na free power no, and acquire medals in the buy, ni nyina amba, or see the next 4 years na beba no de mama kano. Ye busa Kufuor, gold na okotua 1.4 million, medals na kind ewen. Kufuor na chain no wen. Yaba pa Kufuor na chain no ewe he ene na mibusa wo wonana nom na se member power menka me to menka wasem ba wonana nom se memma Ghana fo hu nipa a woye na member power na omo hu de waye ewo Ghana ye busa wo medals na ewen medals na wotam Ghana fo sika 1.4 million so with the gold beto nkofo kom no sa medals na ewen yaba pa Kufuor na wonana nom keka nkwase asem. Kufuor are one of the greatest criminals in Ghana politics. I'm basing my facts on these things. Nyoma mi read the no, and then I'm basing so I catch Kufuor is a criminal. Let's ask Kufuor. Eye gold chains na way. Obe bunehuna me ko. Na oni ma de hunehuna me. Mo ayana mo MP before ni bi mo bodam. Ayana mo nim nipa mo ni deal no. Mo so mo kasa ba ha said mo nyanka. Ayase mo bodam. So we are asking Kufour. Now already BBC for story now. Or say he was given the highest award. Kufour was given the highest award. The Grand Order of the Star and Eagles of Ghana. Hey, rather than go for. Yeah, Papa Kufour. Okoye gold number 2 the no. He got the highest award. Your friend, your friend, the Grand Order of the Star and Eagles of Ghana. Sa award na Kufour the man. Now, the gold, set in 18 karat gold, it was also the most expensive at $65,000 in pounds, na 32,700 pounds. Gold na Kufour jiji do nya Kufour de na boarding. The okachiro mo say ebesa aba no onane fra ne de no so mo jimi. Obeche kakra bi e no ka say de aka no the next 4 years le beba. De na edani kom no wanane de aka ni nyina na edani kom. Inti 13:1 edani kom. E no okachiro kwasiafo say mo amode aka no mo ntwan next 4 years. Ono ne last year no. And so okachiro say 4 years time de aka ne beba. That time no Sani gold na send ko na $65,000 in 2008 no. Na one nane nipa be 30 dia Canadian ho ne dan kom. Ohum samo ye moa. Me se Kufour is one of the biggest criminals in Ghana politics. Read the nomination. Kufour. I go away. Amen. Will be 10 Ghana plus West. And your 2,000 church offer will be 20 Ghana plus West. There is no change in value. The value is the same. There is no change in value. The value is the same. Every value above 10,000 would be Ghana cedis. Come on, 10 plus West. And every value below 10,000 cedis will be plus West. Come on. There is no change in value. The value is the same. There is no change in value. The value is the same. You have all the time to change for your money. The old and new money will be used 24/6 months. From then, all banks will continue to receive and change their old money. There is no change in value. The value is the same. There is no change in value. The value is the same. More faster and easier transactions.
Yes, the Ghana cedi. New currency, same value. Faster and easier business transactions.
I go away.
Amen. changing law to receive and change their own money. There is no change in value. The value is the same. There is no change in value. The value is the same. More faster and easier transactions.
Yes, the Ghana cedi, new currency, same
The
value.
NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. J.J. Rawlings said this, and we have to always remember the words of Jerry John Rawlings.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.